Okay, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to quickly go over here what happens at the end of what I'm going to show you how to do, which is you are going to get Doge and Eliza to chat together. So let's start off here with saying, hello, Doge, please say hello to Eliza. Let's go. And then you see down here that they are thinking, getting ready to typing out their messages. So, Eliza said hello to Eliza. Okay, that never happened before. That's very interesting. And then Doge failed to say hello. Eliza, please chat with Doge about computer science. So you can see Eliza is going to respond. And we'll see if Doge responds back. And then Doge is going to respond back. You get the idea. They'll chat back and forth. I'm going to turn them off now. I did have them get annoyed with each other before. So Eliza actually told Doge that she was muting him. So that might happen. If that happens, then what you want to do is delete your database table, and I will show you how to do that. Okay, so how do you actually do this yourself? So first, you're going to need to git clone this repository from GitHub. GitHub betas eliza-venice.git. Okay, and once you've got that, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to do cp and then this .env.example, okay? And then once you do that, you're going to want to do .env, okay? And then you're going to want to press enter. I'm not going to because I don't want to do this. I've already done this. So that will give you the .env file. You'll see it over here on the left side, and you want to click on that. You want to go into there. I am going to do this demonstration in this .env file, .example. You need to do the exact same thing, but do it in the env file because this is going to be your API key. So you will see right here in that file that you just created, it will say, put your Venice API key here. So without the quotations, go get your API key and paste it right here. Again, in the .env file, not in the one that I'm showing you right now. And then we'll move on to the next step.
Okay, for Discord, you need to come to this page, discord.com/developer/applications, and you will need to log in. You need to click new application, and you can type in test Venice. You have to accept the terms or you will not be able to continue. Click create. Confirm that you are a human. Okay, you will have an application ID. You copy that. And to Discord. Okay, so inside of Discord, you need to come down here to bot. You need to turn on this, you need to turn on this, and you need to turn on this. These three things under the bot tab need to be all turned on. And after I will show you how to make a link, you need to click here, reset token. Click yes, do it. It's weird. Click yes. Okay, after clicking reset token, you should see a token like this. You will cut and paste this token. All right, you will come here. Discord JS guide, preparations, adding your bot. Okay, so you come to this link here. If you just type in this beginning part here, you should be able to just search on this website and find this very easily. That's what I did to get this page. You want to cut and paste this. Okay, this is how you will paste it, and you will change this ID here to your ID, you paste it, press enter. So see where it says ID, make sure that you replace this value here. Basically what will happen is you'll get a thing to invite your bot to your Discord, and then you will be able to actually add it to your Discord. You need to add that bot to your Discord, and this will give it permissions and all that. Okay, after you put in that link, it'll take you to this. You have test Venice. So you select the server, you click authorize, you click I am human. I mean, only if you're human. And then go to your server.
Okay, so now that you've got the repository, you've got two different JSON files. And as you can see here, this will not work. So paste Discord ID here. Yeah, you're going to do that. So you're going to take the Discord ID that you got, paste it right here, then paste the Discord API, and then you've named your app Eliza. So now you got an Eliza app, and then you go to the Doge character and you'll have an app called Doge or whatever you want to call it. Just make sure that application ID and API token is from the same app and that they match up, and that you're using two different apps from Discord, that you've created two separate bots that are going to run. And then after that's done, we will actually get this thing running. One more quick thing before we get this running. As you can see over here, there's a folder called data. Inside of that folder is going to be this db.sqlite. What you want to do if your AIs decide that they hate each other and don't want to talk anymore is delete this file so you can get them talking again. As the way that Doge talks doesn't seem to be super appreciated by Eliza. So she has been known to mute him. Down here, you can see that pnpm start -- character is Doge. Make sure to put this quotation, and this quotation here is super important, and the comma between the two values. And then basically, what is this? This value here is this, basically saying this folder characters, and this file inside of that folder, Doge. And then this is the exact same thing, folder file. Okay, and then you will press enter and it will run. Okay, so PNP start. Let's go. So you can see it's loading embeddings. It's loading the character profile. So you can see this is Eliza's profile, different parts about her personality. You can see it's loading in Doge, it's loading in Eliza, picking the models, and now it's good to go. All right, once you got that running, you'll be able to go back to your Discord and you'll be able to start talking to your agents the same way that I was doing at the very beginning of the video. When you go back to Discord, you will see that all are online. Before your program is running, like we just did, they will be offline. If something goes wrong, they will also be offline, and you have to troubleshoot that. All right, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day. Bye-bye.